Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today we'll be changing our steering shaft on our Bilt Bronco 42-inch deck. So I'm going to show you the process and the tools needed, guys. Okay guys, so tools required: a 13mm socket, a 13mm spanner, open-end spanner or a vice grip. Also you'll need a T27 Torx and a 6mm socket. So let's get to it, guys. First thing you'll want to do, you will also need a number 3 Phillips head screwdriver so that you can pull the screw from that holds the steering in from the bottom of the engine. So okay guys, the first step is locating that screw, and you'll do that by following your shaft down, and you will see it's right under here. So this is where your screw will be, guys, and to remove that screw you'll need to hold the steering, strap it or whatever, and then you can pull that screw. So I already loosened mine. I changed my screw because I would advise you all to change it. They strip out very easily. So we remove this screw first, set that aside, then we can go up to our steering and remove our steering wheel. Okay guys, so to remove your steering, you come up here, you remove your cap, and then you want to grab your socket and remove that 13mm bolt. So you just want to hold your steering and remove that bolt, guys. So I see you in a sec. So okay guys, after removing your steering, you want to come down to the side and remove these 30mm nut and bolts. So you will need a 30mm open socket and a open wrench. So you want to do this on both sides, guys. Alright, let's get that out. Also guys, we'll need to remove our gas can. Yours may still have the tie strap on there, but I already took off mine from a previous job. So you just want to remove your gas can, get that out the way. Hopefully it's not filled, so just remove that out the way, guys. Okay guys, so now we're going to use our T27 Torx to remove these two screws. Okay guys, so now we can lift this out of the way. Get out our brake, park brake lever. So that's out the way, guys. Okay, so okay guys, so now we got to remove the 6mm bolt so that we can get off this guide cap and get our steering shaft out. Okay guys, so Get that little screw out there. Put that aside, and then we can remove this cap. Place that aside, and then we can remove our shaft, guys. We lift it halfway through past this deck where the gas tank sits. So again, guys, coming from down in the well, we just lift it out like that, and then we bring it through there. And please also remember to check your spacer here that sits down into your frame. So you should probably get one with the new part that you buy, but please also remember this piece, guys. So there's the old shaft and here's the new shaft. So okay, guys, so let's go ahead and get our new shaft installed. Here's our washer piece. Remove this plastic. Alrighty, guys. So first thing you want to do is set this down into your frame, and you will see that cutout, guys. So we set that down into the frame. And then we can go ahead and stick our shaft in. First you want to run your shaft back through your steering stem hole, and then we can run it back down to line up with our gears. And a tip, guys, please make sure your wheels are straight before you reinstall your steering and tighten down anything, guys. Just make sure you have your steering straight. Okay, guys, so all we got to do now is the reverse of everything we did. So let's go ahead and get it, guys. Okay, guys, so the first step, we'll reinstall our plastic spacer. Then we put back that screw. Make sure to tighten it down as we go along, guys. Alright. So now, guys, we can go ahead and reinstall our gas can. Alright. Then we can go ahead and realign our panel right here, getting our steering shaft over. And then we'll align our park brake, guys. Okay, guys, so to reinstall your park brake, you just want to grab a hold of it, get it to come through here first. Make sure everything is lined up on the back piece, not sticking on anything. Okay, guys, so now we can go ahead and get our screws back in and tighten down everything, guys. guys, just tighten down everything and we're good to go. Okay guys, so what's left for us to do now is reinstall our steering and our locking bolt from under the frame. Please remember guys to have your steering straight so that when you install your steering wheel it will be straight. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers, thanks to all our subscribers. You all are greatly appreciated. I hope this video will come in helpful for someone. Please feel free to comment below or ask any questions guys. God bless. You all have a great day. Thank you.